Oh boy, this shit,
bitch, I'm sipping on potions. Little bitch, I'm told in this circuit got me gone. Send that Addy and we on over Addy, bitch, I'm zoning. Going slow mo.
Hey man, we're back again, man, and so you know, man, we already unboxing stuff from NALIS TRAPHOUSE again, man. If you don't know who NALIS TRAPHOUSE is, man, is a black-owned business that sell one bag of. Let me show you. For the money, man, the girl them have the durag and the bonnet them inside. The money one we ever have beers or twists and them thing, and the girl them have them ear at it up and nose and half some so. For the thief them inside and the rapper them want look like a thief. Have the ski mask them. You know that Chef G song there? A Chef G sing? I think yeah. The man say, you are driven down. Yeah, you see, they can't just bring a design and teach people things. I say, yeah, man, ladies, you fully forgot, boy. Not at all, not at all, not at all. See, then they have, yeah, that's thing for the bird. They wants to be birds in the winter for cold, or whatever else you call it now. So, you know, they send me some more stuff. Good looking, Nali, for being with them this early. And so make we get started, yeah? So start. Boom. Oh, from the cardboard. I'm an idiot. Jesus Christ, why is she packaging us like this?
2,000 years later.
Okay, there we go, man. I'm not gonna lie, I've been waiting for a minute for this, man. Recently, man, they had a banger day sale on my birthday, man. So, you know, hopefully you took advantage of that. And if you didn't, then yeah, that's your fault, I guess. I don't know. Alright, man, let's see if this would cooperate with me. I'm so strong. Strong, man. And drop the box. And once again, thank you for supporting. Yeah, my small business. You're welcome, man. Oh, almost dropped it. So I have more opening to do, man. I like this red packaging. It's nice. It's nice. Gives me Valentine's Day vibes. And hello, stop playing. Alright, there we go. Oh, look at the engine. Nah, hold on, wait, because I know I'm not sleeping. I know I'm not sleeping. We have an issue already, because I remember saying to send 3 things. Hold on, wait. I should not be this way. Okay, now I'm missing an item. Let me just make sure I'm not tweaking, guys. I'm sure to send this with a Dior durag and a Gucci, a black Gucci sea mask. So apparently she just ignored the whole part with the Dior durag, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So let's take my white durag. I can finally stop wearing this while I wear my AirPods. There it is. Keep it a juju. I forgot what this brand is called, but hey, it's for me. So let's put it on. Oh. Anyways, we put it on my head.
If you bend it anymore, I think you know the truth. I'll kill you. If you forget anything, I'll kill you. In fact, you're gonna have to work very hard to stay alive, Nick. That house loud.
There you go. I think it's really, I like it. It's nice and white. So do I have a shirt on under this? Yes, I do. So you know, now I can just pop out Balenciaga. And then I just throw this on top. No, never mind. Just this. Yes, sir. So, yeah. Just count on. This was fun. This is that. And next. She just sent the wrong. I feel it's just somebody else's way. It has money, but I feel like this the wrong shit for real. Hey man, it's whatever, man. So next up we got this Fendi ski mask. So kinda scared to put this on outside because y'all can hear it send me out of the funny side, but let's try it on.
And I'm bossy.
Yep. I been with it. I been with it. I just gotta roll it up. God damn. Okay. Yeah. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. So, you know, if you friends with me, you can get one of these and, like, you can have a mask up on. These people got yeah. So, you know. What we get? Stop right here. Do what you gotta do. Some other things I got from there besides this that weren't in this order were this Balenciaga durag. So I could just, yep. This Balenciaga durag. And this polo bonnet. So yeah, man. Super hype about the durag though. Super duper hype about the durag. I was expecting a black one to come. She sent the Fendi. Is this even Fendi? Yeah, she sent the Fendi one instead. I'm cool with that. It don't really matter. Hey, I'm gonna tell you for now, it's soft as hell and it smells dumb good. Like, it smells like cardboard. What? It just smells like cardboard box, and cardboard box smells so good. What the fuck? But yeah, man. Now where you can buy these, you just gotta go to the Instagram, cause right now the website is down. Go to Instagram. They're taking all Cash App orders. I think they taking PayPal. Probably not. Don't at me. But the Instagram is at NALIS TRAPHOUSE. It's probably right here. But yeah, man. That's basically all that I got here. All that came. So if y'all like this video, make sure y'all subscribe. What y'all gotta do, because this is a short, quick little video. I'm not doing nothing too crazy. You feel me? Cause like my Wi-Fi is kind of ass, and I can't do no big uploads, but like, yeah. So, make sure I go pop up. Do what y'all gotta do. Before I do what I gotta do to you. Alright, man.